Alright, update on the dash. I think he's got a new lens coming for that. But gauges look pretty good, getting it in. And then he's got a fresh coat of black on all this stuff. All the AC vents. He's putting AC in the car, so I believe these will get a little silver trace around that raised section around the outside of them, similar to how the radio looks. Got some silver paint around it. I don't know if he did that or if that's factory. This one doesn't have any, but it's probably worn off after years. And then I think he put the new little indicators there over the wood grain. He's got his wood grain in, so all that's looking pretty dandy. All right, little custom interior look to the Challenger here. You want to hold it up like you just did?
Yeah.
Like a proud papa.
Yeah, this is just an idea we had. This
green is the same green for the car.
Yeah, same green.
Yep.
And we're just a little custom. This was a little tarnished metal, so we hand painted with some detailing brush. Chris did, and Doug.
Pinstriping brush. We did the black stripe in the center after we sprayed the whole thing.
After we sprayed all this green and cleared it, yeah, so that won't rub off.
So then we put the custom pinstriped it,
and then put the new replacement wood grain.
Oh, a really nice door panel.
Then the emblems, which you have to take and, I mean, this was all the way out. You had to grind off the back where it's smashed. Then we put epoxy on it. Now I'm just looking to see if I've got any.
I see you kind of glued the emblem back in the center.
Yeah, we just put a glob of the E6000.
Is it sticking through enough that that'll...
Yeah, I don't know if we can get a hold of it with some of those little clasps. That's what I was looking for. Or just little, not acorn nuts, but they're little nuts that go on.
Little twisty jobbers.
Yeah, the little twisty jobbers. I thought there was some in this bag, but yeah, there's one that I don't have on yet.
Yep, cool. But you glued the center on it. I see, yeah. Cool. Doesn't look cool. Another little custom touch. Car's looking really good.
Yeah, we got all that. You can show all these dash parts.
Oh yeah.
All the dash. We're getting the dash together. These have all been re-dyed with the vinyl and fabric spray. Yeah. And then we took oh,
those look really good.
A marking pin. What do you call that? It's a paint pen, and went all the way around the outside with the chrome silver. I mean, these will spin, so that dresses those up.
Yep, looks good.
I mean, they all look brand new now.
That looks really good.
Then we also did the chrome.
I was worried
around the edge of the knobs here. That was almost all worn off.
Yeah, looks good.
And I'm not sure how this mounts. There's the one bracket that goes to the side, but these just have a couple of these two pins.
Yeah, it looks like it centers it in there, and then you got a plastic piece that covers it.
Yeah, but it won't stay up. There's nothing holding this side. I'm not sure.
Probably has something on the dash plate in there, so that...
There's no dash plate. It's plastic. I think this dash plate...
Under the dash, like the metal plate of some sort.
This goes in here, and of course that comes up in the middle of it just fine. But this looks like it's for one that's got a cutout for an 8-track.
It does, yes.
Is what that looks like. And I don't know if that's what this is.
Yes.
And I should try to get an 8-track for it. Because I don't know what it had originally.
I don't know.
So, and I can't find my ashtray pull.
It's not in it.
I think I took it off, but I don't know whatever happened to it.
Probably took it off to paint.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, yeah. I was afraid this might end up looking like total garbage, but
it doesn't.
you didn't go quite crazy with the paint pen that it doesn't look too bad, but that is how I would do it, because all that chrome just flakes off of that stuff. So
I know it.
yeah, but I'm pretty impressed with these. That has a nice, good look to it. That green with all the flat black on the door panels looks great. And
I think so too.
And the door panels, for being repop, brand new, looks awesome.
Here we go. I knew I had some of these.
Oh yeah,
but I don't know that this is going to work.
No. You might need to groove out this plastic channel that sits in a little bit more. I don't know.
Let's see what we got.
You're going to lose that thing by flipping it around like that.
Yeah, I mean, if I turn it upside down. And then there's these things. The little clips.
What was in it?
I don't remember. It's not even those things. I think it's stuck through there more, but...
Yeah, so you can get it. It's because these are repop. You need to grind out with a little grinder to where those sit down. I can see space in between here.
Oh, yeah.
Where it's got room to drop in more. You gotta find out where it's binding a little. And
well,
push it through.
These need to be longer, that's for sure. But they're not, so...
They're long enough to stick through. I mean, that was broken off maybe a little.
Yeah.
I don't know, it doesn't appear that they're getting down far enough, so...
So...
Have you tried switching it to the other side? Maybe the other side fits better.
Maybe it...
Try that one.
Maybe.
Yeah, it does. I can tell that went down in further. There's a right and a left side. This has a bigger angle on it right there.
Maybe.
Yeah, see, they're sticking through great now.
Yeah, they do stick through better. I don't think these will go on, though, still.
Is that what's supposed to?
No.
See how far that was sticking through, though? Yeah, you had them on wrong. It wasn't down in recessed good.
Yeah, this might be what I have to put on there. These little push things. No, it's still not enough. But that does take a little screw. You can see where it has grooved into that. But I don't have one small enough here. So I'll have to work on that.
Yep, that side I think has a little bit more of an angle. So there's a right and a left side on it. And that is fitting down in that groove better.
Let's see how this one fits in the other one. I'll grab it.
Yep. Fits like it's supposed to.
Yeah, it fits pretty good. Looks like it's pretty flush in there. But there's just not much sticking out. That's for sure. Might have to grind a little bit of this off back here in order to get something on it.
I don't know. I don't.
Gotta find something that'll go on it first. A type of screw or a type of nut.
Alright, we're gonna look for some screws and some nuts.
Well, just actually some nuts.
Found a nut.
These are just not enough. I don't even know what.
What's it say?
I don't know how much. I don't have my glasses.
It says year 1, 2-pack, 8th emblem nuts, pal, not for sale, kits, blah blah blah. 8th emblem. I don't know.
Okay.
It's your 8th emblem.
Yeah. We'll find something that'll work.
Coming along. I guess we'll throw this in with the dash video.
Yeah.
Just more dash stuff. And that was just a bonus because that's a cool touch.
Yeah.
If your inserts look terrible, like every one that I've seen, and they're expensive even when they're terrible.
Well, these aren't in any book to buy new.
No. But you can customize your own, and why not customize them with the color of the car?
It had a lot of pitting all around the edges of this chrome.
Yep.
And we sanded all that down first before we painted. which the paint kind of filled in some of them. If you look real close, there's still some pitting, but most of it's gone. I think we found a set on eBay, no better than what we had. They wanted like $75 for a pair. So if yours are bad, it's probably what you're going to have to work with, because we didn't find them for sale anywhere as far as repop.
Nope.
So, but then this, we had to put the epoxy on the back. You have to grind it off because they stick through, and then they're ground off like they're mushroomed out on the back, so they won't come through. So you have to grind that off and then pop those off, and then peel and use a heat gun to get this old wood grain off. It took a while to get it off. It's just as bad as the console.
Yep.
So
Could have done red, white, and blue in that too.
yeah, I don't know. We might try to paint something in it, but I think that still looks good the way it is.
I think that's factory is just no color at all. But
Yep.
all right, done for today.
All right. Bye bye.